Move-in ready. Exquisite updates are done. Featuring 3 bedrooms/2 baths, this home brings you interior design based on functionality and an open floor plan intent on making indoor and outdoor living spaces complement each other. Updates include brand new kitchen, new bathrooms, appliances, water-resistant laminate flooring, roof. Your indoor washer and dryer hookups are in the huge utility room, which gives you plenty of additional storage. This home also offers a lot of potential for its location, only 15 minutes away from the International Airport, 10 minutes away from Busch Gardens, 24 minutes away from the Buccaneers Stadium, easy access to I-75, I-4, I-275, downtown Tampa, etc. Great opportunity for first-time homeowners or for investors looking to grow their real estate portfolio. The third fastest growing metro area in Florida, Hillsborough County has been showing a steady economic growth of its diverse economic base that includes technology, health, tourism, finance, construction and population. Put this one at the top of your list and give us a call today for your private tour. Don't miss this opportunity.